In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, adding curved text can give your slides a unique and creative flair. Let's dive into the simple steps to achieve this effect using Google Slides. First, you'll want to open up Google Slides and navigate to the slide where you'd like to add curved text. Once you're there, click on Insert located in the menu bar at the top of your screen. This option allows you to add various elements to your slide, such as images, charts, and, importantly, text boxes. Hover over Insert to see the drop-down menu. Select Word Art from this drop-down menu. Word Art is a feature in Google Slides that lets you manipulate text creatively, which includes curving it. When you choose Word Art, you'll see a box appear in the center of your slide asking you to enter your desired text. Click inside this box and type the text you'd like to curve. After typing your text, simply press Enter or Return on your keyboard to apply it to your slide. Now that you have your word art text on the slide, it's time to shape it. To curve your text, you'll need to first click on it to select it. This will bring up the options to modify the text. Then, go to Format Options at the top of the page. These are your go-to tools for customizing the look of your text. In the Format Options panel, find and select Text Fitting. From here, you can adjust the size and position of your text to better fit your curved design. However, to actually curve the text, we will need to add some creativity. Since Google Slides does not natively support text curvature as you'd find in graphic design software, a simple workaround is to slightly tilt and reposition each word or letter to create a curved path. To create this effect, you can rotate the text box using the circular handle at the top of the box. Drag this handle in a circular motion to rotate your text slightly. Repeat this process with different parts of the text, adjusting each as needed to form a curve. While this method takes a little practice and patience, it can help you craft a visually appealing, curved text effect. Once you've positioned your text to your liking, take a step back and review the slide as a whole. Consider whether the curved text aligns with the overall design and message of your presentation. A well-curved text should enhance your slide without overpowering the other content. With these steps, you now know how to curve text in Google Slides. Feel free to experiment and play around to find the best style that fits your presentation. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.